Both of our cars have a very convenient feature, push-button start. I can keep the key in my pocket and simply touch the door handle to lock or unlock the car. Then inside I simply put my foot on the brake and push a button, and the car starts, almost like magic. Well, these systems are becoming very popular, and nearly every make offers this convenience on some model. But like many nice things in life, these systems are not perfect. So I have a couple of warnings for you. If you own or are buying a car with a passive push-button ignition system, be warned. It is 100% imperative that you read and understand the cautions in your owner's manual. First is what to do in an emergency. Although unintended or uncontrolled acceleration isn't nearly as common as it once was, it can still happen. And if you don't know what to do, the consequences could be deadly. Think about how these systems have to work for safety purposes. There is a single button you push to start or stop the car's engine. Now, suppose you or someone in the car accidentally pushes the start-stop button while the car is moving. What would happen? Fortunately, nothing, thanks to built-in safety systems. If every time someone accidentally pushed the start-stop button while the car was moving, there would be no end of accidents because it would shut the engine off. Scary? You bet. Dangerous? Incredibly. Now here's a possible scenario. It's night. It's pitch black outside. You're cruising down the interstate and somehow someone accidentally pushes the start-stop button. Wham! Your engine shuts down, leaving you coasting without power or power steering or possibly even power brake assist. Now, most people would panic and not have a clue what to do. So, because mistakes like this are much more probable than that 1 in a billion uncontrollable runaway engine, it takes more than a brief tap on the button to shut the engine off when the car is moving. Most require that you push and hold the button for multiple seconds before the engine will shut down, and that's when the car is moving. But because I can't verify that this applies to all cars, I strongly suggest you read your owner's manual to make sure you and everyone who drives your push-button car knows exactly what to do in an emergency. Just pushing the button, even multiple times, usually will not shut your runaway engine down. Another thing to be aware of is that these cars can be deadly if you park one inside a garage that's attached to your house. The reason I say this is because modern cars run very smoothly and can be nearly silent. To make matters worse, some cars with push-button starter systems do not warn you if you get out of the car with the engine running. Well, that means that you could leave one of these cars running, which could fill your house with deadly carbon monoxide. So always make sure that you shut the engine off when you get out of the car. Also, if you do have a runaway engine on any car with or without stop-start system, and the car is going faster and faster, remember a basic procedure. Simply move the gear selector to neutral and steer to the side of the road. Yes, the engine will still be revving at high speed. Yes, there is a good possibility that the engine will self-destruct while this is going on. But is that really the most important thing to worry about? I think not. Cars can be fixed. Engines can be replaced. But for you, dead is dead, and there isn't any fixing that. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to Goss's Garage on YouTube, follow us on Facebook, and for more car tips, tricks, and money-saving ideas, visit goss-garage.com. Drive gently. See you next time, right here in Goss's Garage.